excited with our. Oh.
この先踏切です。注意してください。
Really itching to get on with this car project now, but we've got a distinct lack of tools. So I'm actually on the way to the local tool shop, see if we can get a toolbox, some general hand tools. I don't even know if this car is going to run. So it's kind of scary and exciting at the same time. Really interesting to see what will happen. The tool shop we're going to is Astro tools or Astro products. It's I wouldn't have said it's a high-end tool shop. I think their tools are reasonably priced. It's probably something that I need to start with. Okay, here we are. We have arrived. It's actually a shopping mall with a tool shop inside. So let's see if we can pick up some cool stuff. The toolbox comes in a bit of a kit form. There's the roll cab here, and what they do is they put the chest actually inside here, so you actually withdraw it. I did have a problem here with this cupboard here, it just dropped off the hinge. That just clipped back on. I have to put the wheels on, and there's actually an intermediate section which are these bits here, which bolt on top of the roll cab, and then the chest goes on top there. Here's a small selection of tools that were brought over from the UK. I thought would come in handy to start off with. Here you go, got some 10 screwdrivers here. In here there's a little Worth set. I've lost count how many times this little set has got me out of trouble working on cars. Over here, Teng's Torx drivers. Haven't used them yet. Nice little Worth screwdriver with multi-bits. Two paint pots for my guns here. Got some Iwata Gunsters there, and this one here as well. Devubis. And what we got? Nice tap and dice set there, and then we got some Worth Zebra spanners. Another little tiny little socket set there. Some stereo release keys. We've got the knife there, snap-on extensions, snap-on ratchet, snap-on shallow 6 points, 3/8 drive, and I am missing a bit here for my hex bits. Interesting enough though, I was actually missing a 10mm off here, and I managed to get one from a used store called Hard Off, so really happy with that. Same place, I'll probably actually get one of these as well. And over here, his selection of tools I've already started buying in Japan. This little Karcher pressure wash has been really great actually. I used it for cleaning bits on the house, but as well as that I actually used it to clean the workshop floor before painting. I was actually quite surprised. It's a tiny little thing, but it's quite powerful, and it really did the job for what I needed. I did also buy a Spirit Level. That was more for home stuff. And little wire stripper set there, only a cheap one. A couple of little plastic removal tools for taking trim off in a car. Some wires, some side cutters here. They're actually really good. I was really chuffed with those, nice and sharp. I did actually get this tiny little drill. It's a bit hobby grade, but it's so compact. It really did help doing household stuff. And I also bought a Nikita here angle grinder. She had some metal tags sticking out the concrete in the garden, and it did the trick. It was really good actually. It's a nice compact grinder, feels good. Slightly on the heavy side, but it does feel very robust. Here we go, got some cutting discs at the same time. Okay, these are the tools from Astro products. This is the top box kind of combo roll cab that I bought. This is an empty one. I also bought a tool trolley and this little nutty little set. Comes with ratchet spanners, wrenches, V8 drive stuff, screwdrivers, combi spanners. Nice little bit of kit actually. Great to start off with. Also, I did treat myself to a new floor mat, set of pry bars here. Also, 1/2-inch drive set and a set of 1/2-inch impact sockets there as well. So, you've now got tools. Next thing is, let's get on with the car. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Cheers. I think I'm lost.